Dear student, good morning, all of you. Hope so. In this pandemic situation, all of you are fine and follow the rules and regulations given by the government of Maharashtra and government of India. So stay home, stay healthy. Anyway, now new academic session start. So myself, Professor Imran Sayed from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sanjini College of Engineering, Kopargaon, an autonomous institute of Maharashtra in Western region. Today, I will go through you the new subject Theory of Machine 2. In short, it is Tom 2. Our subject code it is given as per the university, that is 302043. Small brief introduction about me. So I have passed my master degree in design engineering from Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad. I did MBA in Materials and Marketing. I have completed B Mechanical, and also I have completed postgraduate diploma in foreign trade. Currently, I am pursuing the PhD in University of Pune. Talking about the experience, I am having the 8 years industrial experience. I work in almost 3-4 industry as a manager level, and also from 2009 I am working in these institutes as a assistant professor. Till now, I have taught the subject for UG, theory of machine 1, theory of machine 2, then MSD for B, engineering graphics, then industrial engineering and technology management, basic mechanical engineering, metallurgy quality control, etc. Whereas I have taught the subjects research methodology, synthesis of kinematic mechanism, and advanced finite element method for PG. My research area of interest is composite structures. I also work on the SAP module in the industry, and currently I am the in charge of the Department of Mechanical Engineering for SAP MM module, and this is the need of the future in the industry. My contact number and email ID is given for your reference. Now we will go to the our subject, that is theory of machine 2. So as per examination scheme, so there is a 30 mark in same examination and 70 mark in same examination, total 100. It is having term of 25 marks and there is a overall of 25 marks. So total marks for the subject is 150. Before starting the syllabus, I would like to go through you the POs, that is program outcomes. It is defined by the NBA, National Board of Accreditation, because our department has already accredited by NBA, and this will be helpful when you pass out from this institute and when you work abroad or maybe going for higher studies. So your degree is valid as per Washington Accord in various countries. So, which are the program outcomes? So, as per NBA, so there are 12 program outcomes defined by the authority. So, first one is engineering logic, second one is problem analysis, third one is design development of solution, then fourth one is conduct investigation of complex problem, fifth one is modern tool usage. So, details are given, you just go through it, because after passing out engineering, So you should be able to get these POs. Sixth one is the engineer and society. Seventh one is environment and sustainability. Eight, ethics. Nine, individual and teamwork. 10, communication. 11, project management and finance. 12, lifelong learning. So these all POs should satisfy through this subject. So for that we will take the exam, we will take the internal assessment. So we will apply various tools to accomplish these POs. Next thing it is PEO, that is Program Educational Objective. So here there are three POs. Number one, to develop graduates to gain theoretical and practical knowledge in mechanical engineering and allied disciplines for upliftment of the society. Number two, to inculcate teamwork, communication, interpersonal skills, and ethical approach among the graduates, adapting to changing environments of engineering and technology. And number three, to develop graduates to gain problem solving skill necessary for higher studies and professional career. Another thing you will find here PSO. So there are two PSOs, program specific objective. So graduate will be demonstrate an ability to design, analyze and develop mechanical system through the knowledge of basic sciences, mathematics, design, thermal, production engineering and advanced software tools. And second PSO is graduates will be able to test and evaluate the performance of mechanical engineering application. Now for our course theory of machine 2, so there are objective of the course that is known as course objective. So see this, first objective is to develop competency in understanding of theory of all types of gears. Second objective is to understand the analysis of gear train. Third one is to develop competency in drawing the cam profile and understand the follower motion. Fourth one is to make the student conversant with the synthesis of the mechanism. Fifth one is to understand stepless regulation. And sixth one is to understand mechanisms for system control, that is gyroscope. Here, these are course outcome. So first one is the students will be able to understand fundamentals of gear theory and kinematic analysis of spur gear, which will be the prerequisite for gear design. You will having another subject, design. So in that it is helpful. Course outcome means after completion of this course, these are the outcomes so students should have. Second outcome is students will be able to perform kinematic analysis of helical, bevel, worm and worm gear. Third one is student will analyze speed and torque in epicyclic gear trains, which will be the prerequisite for again gearbox design. Fourth one is student will be able to design cam profile for given follower motion and understand cam jump phenomenon, advanced cam curves. Fifth one is student will synthesize a 4-bar mechanism by analytical and graphical methods. And last one, sixth one is students will analyze gyroscopic couple and effect of these couples on various applications. So these are the some textbook. So these textbooks you can refer for the study. So A.G. Ambekar, name of author, S.S. Ratan, Theory of Machine by Ambekar, Theory of Machine by Ratan. So these are very good books. You can go through it. These are some reference books: Ghosh Malik, Sadhu Singh, and Sharma, Kamlesh Purohit. So these are some reference book also. So anyway, today end of this for this today's session, first session. So we'll continue in the next lecture in detail, first unit. Thank you.